If you want to refresh your living room design without breaking the bank, you might consider DIY living room decor. There are myriad projects you can do in a few hours or a few days to make your own unique home decor. Storage sofa. Create your own unique couch that includes room for storage. A basic rectangular-shaped base provides plenty of room for secret compartments housing extra pillows, blankets, and more. For even more chic storage space, add drawers to the base of the sofa for easy access. DIY wall art. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars at an art gallery to have unique and stunning wall art for your home. One simple way to make wall art only requires some basic supplies, including canvas, paint, and painter's tape. Use stencils or other tools for creating a unique design in hues to complement your living space. For extra drama, try different textures of paint, like metallics or high gloss. Painted bottle vases. Upgrade old bottles or vases with a cheerful coat of paint for some quick and simple decor. You can use the painted vases as decorative pieces on their own, or use them for fresh or dried flowers and greenery to make a more colorful space. Make your own stacked crate bookshelf. Crates are already the perfect size and shape for oversized books and decorations that may not suit a normal bookcase. Combining wooden crates into custom stacked shelves is a simple and quick storage solution for any living space. Want to do more with crates? Try making a crate coffee table or end tables with built-in storage.